are at the point now of casting on stitches for our sleeve using the backward loop method. The procedure is exactly the same whether you are doing a garter stitch or stockinette stitch. This happens to be stockinette stitch, but again, it's all the same. To do your backward loop method cast on, all you are doing is making a loop such as that and putting it on the needle and then tightening it. That is one stitch cast on. Again, you are simply making a loop, inserting your needle, and tightening. That's 2 stitches. Making a loop, and then you'll get much quicker as you go on. I've now got 3 stitches. Again, I've got my loop, just so you can see without my thumb in the middle holding it down. That's what it looks like. Insert on, pull tight. And to count this, it's pretty obvious where your stitches begin. This is the last stitch that you actually knit. You can see where it's coming out from right here. So I have so far cast on 6 stitches. And you just keep going until you reach the end. Let's just say this is my end. Let's say the pattern told me to cast on 6 stitches. I would just then begin knitting right here. It's going to be a little loose. Don't worry if it pulls like that. It will tighten up by the next row. But you just keep knitting. Keep going, and you're all set. You've got your stitches cast on for your sleeve.